All iPhone have what is called the front camera mirror effect. So whether you're running on iOS 17 or iOS 15, you have access to what is called the camera mirror effect on your iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off iPhone camera mirror effect in the front camera of your iPhone. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to turn off the camera mirror on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings page, you want to scroll down and select the camera app. Once you selected that, just scroll down to composition, and under composition there is mirror front camera. Turn this off, and once that is off, the mirror front camera on your iPhone will be disabled. Mark you, this settings applies to both photos and video with the front camera on your iPhone. So this could be iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone 12, iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, or iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, if you're using a lower version of iPhone like iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, or iPhone 6x Plus, this mirror disable or enabling only affects the photos on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily turn off or turn on mirror front camera effects on your iPhone. A quick note, so if you are using iOS 14, the mirror camera effect is not available for your device. But using iOS 15, 16, or iOS 17 or later, you can easily turn on and turn off the mirror iPhone camera effect on your device. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.